Now I've got to go get the X-Wing, which is back on the table where I do filming. Okie dokie. All right.
Natalie's asking, did you put any clan stuff on the shields, or they're just different colors?
Natalie wants to know what?
If you painted any clan stuff on the shields,
Um,
or they're just random colors.
they're just random colors. I didn't research clan stuff when I was doing that. This is an X-Wing, you guys. This was the very first large piece that I made.
Hey, Grant, please, we don't talk about plans in this show.
And Edric says that he's still missing the X-Fighter.
He's what?
He's still missing the X-Fighter as you received it.
Okay. Well, it's still on its way, I guess. Anyway, I built a mechanism in the back here so that I could open the X-Wings up, and then when this lever goes back over, they automatically close. It's spring-loaded inside the chassis. It took me 65 hours to build that because I had no idea how to make it. It was a completely new build.
Pretty good.
Always.
It's even got an R2D2.
Yeah, the R2 unit, that was important. This build was my first large piece, and I learned something. I learned that you have to put this sheeting on and then armor over that, because you can see the ripples in this. Each one of these ripples is a rib or a spar or a strut or whatever you want to call that inside of this. That's what made it strong enough to where you can actually play with it and do stuff. And so, and you guys, build stands. Build your stands. And you got to build them first or real close to first, because once you get this built, you cannot tear it apart and put the stand in it. It'll destroy your build. So there is a teeny tiny X-Wing made out of paper. All right, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Phone Show, everybody. I hope that you all had a fantastic weekend. I am working on Halo Warthog. Oh, and you had to lift up, did you? Doggone it. Okay. Sometimes, yeah. And that lifted up just a tiny bit as well. So I take this dental tool and I put a little bit of this bonding agent, Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue or PVA. Polyvinyl acetate or something. Anyway.
That's correct.
That is correct. Not bad for hearing it once.
Yeah.
And so what you have to do is sometimes you have to go in and fix things that you've done. Now, let's see. Is this going to grip down there? Nope, that's not long enough. That means I got to grab hold of it and squeeze it. Ah. Anyway, sometimes this is just, you cannot do anything with it. You have to do what you do. Wait, I have a different kind of clamp. Maybe this clamp will work. I've got oodles of clamps, you guys. Oh. Aha! That worked. Oh, no, you stupid. Anyway. All right, so now, this is the piece that I'm working on right now. As you can see, I used a lot of greebles with this. Those there greebles on the side there, those are just off of an old wristwatch. and it goes in here like so. Oh, I should have tipped that more. What's that?
Can you bring that close to the camera so we can see what it is? Those greebles you were talking about.
Wow, that looks really good.
Yeah, it is. Now that I've seen how this all goes together, I put this thing too straight up and down. It needed to be tipped more of an angle. But I cannot fix that now. Oh, I suppose I can fix it. Wait a second. Let's see what I can do here.
Oh my word, Mike, this is a unique situation. Natalie's brother is in the show.
Natalie's brother's in the show.
His name is John Louis.
John, welcome to the phone show. Nice to meet you. That's so cool.
Yeah, we're very surprised. I don't think he knows me yet.
Does he know you're there?
Yeah, he knows me yet. Someone saying I had to rip my whole thing apart. Don't know what the thing is. Just to get my mistake. Now I can't get it back together.
He took what apart?
They say thing. Don't know what it is.
Well, when you
Mojo, what thing?
Mojo, what thing are you talking about? Because here's the deal: if you take certain stuff apart, I might be able to help you put it back together. Not necessarily so, but I can try. Okay.
Tell Mojo to become a member that you can help him on something on Saturday.
Yeah. Hey, Mojo, if you become a bronze member, you can go on our Discord site on Saturdays at 11, and I can look at what you're doing and possibly help you out.
Says it's a ship, not Black Pearl Caliber.
It's a ship like the Black Pearl? Okay. What exactly have you got a problem with?
Hey, buddy,
What?
do you know somebody named Sandy Olamar Sr.?
Yeah, Sandy Lamar. Don't say he died.
He died.
Oh, that's great.
Another one bites the dust, and another one's gone, and another one's gone, and another one bites the dust.
Mojo says nothing is gluing back together like one whole. I don't know if I should get a part to it recipe or what.
I would have to see what you're doing to understand more about why it won't hold together. Sometimes you have to clean your parts really well to get the new glue to attach. Okay, now that's much better. All right, so let's glue this in place. I hope this is all I need to do to this. I really do.
Maybe we can close the poll now. We've got 100.
Hey, Grant, you need to stop. Stay in your lane.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, Eddie.
Brenda, he wants you to change the pole.
Eddie, what lane's he in?
He's in the left lane. I just showed him over to the bike lane.
Well, there's no bike lanes on the freeway, buddy.
There is now.
I make them.
All right, so what I have done now is I rechanged the angle of this, and now I've glued this in place. And what I'm going to do with it beyond this point is I have to wait until all of this dries up enough to where I can actually start figuring out how to make the gun for this. And I think I'm just going to make a swivel gun. I don't think I'm going to make anything more serious than that.
TJ just says he was doing paperwork today, but nothing as exciting as your paperwork.
Well, thank you. Paperwork is mandatory. Believe me.